Ever been in a quiet room, and your stomach decides to roar like a lion? Let's uncover the science behind those embarrassing growls. That sound isn't just your stomach, it's your entire digestive system at work. When you're hungry, your brain sends signals to your stomach and intestines to start contracting, preparing for food. This movement, called peristalsis, mixes digestive juices and air, creating those rumbling noises we call growling. Stomach growls can happen even if you're not hungry. They're part of your body's regular housekeeping process, clearing out leftover food and bacteria. Cool, right? Ever had your stomach growl at the worst moment? Share your funny stories in the comments.